Earth was not meant to have all these gadgets.
Yes.
Earth was meant to be simple. It turned into the opposite of simple.
Yes. Now knowing this, you know, Anunnakis, what you need to do again.
Yes.
The grid of technology needs to be taken back. A lot of
They
creations.
say it may be too late sometime, but they will try and everything.
I have full faith. I have full belief with the intentions you have and with your genuine intentions to always find love and compassion, you will be able to take back the technological grid which the earth is now bound by. You shall be able to remove it. You shall be able to remove it. Because the past and the future exist in the present. The past and the future exist in the present. In the present. In the present.